Hello and welcome to SIGNAX Construction Management Platform. Today we're taking on a big challenge. Our goal is to migrate a legacy CDE project with over 30,000 files and launch 3 brand new fully configured projects, all in a single afternoon. We'll cover migration, setup with AI, team onboarding and scaling. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, I'm in the SIGNAX Hub. We will start with company creation. I will specify company details such as legal name, address, and time zone to get us on the platform. Now for the team. Instead of adding 25 people one by one, I'll use the Excel template. I have the list ready here. I'll upload it. And just like that, the entire team is in the system. Next, let's give everyone access. It's as simple as clicking to assign the right products to each person. I'll also make a few key people administrators. This is a quick but important step. I'm setting up our company calendar with public holidays. This will be used for our document approval timelines. Okay, let's create our first project. This one will be for migrating our existing data from another common data environment. I'll add the team members we just uploaded. And assign their roles like designer or project manager. I'll quickly create our next 2 projects as well. One will become our master template. Now for the big one, migrating over 30,000 files from legacy document management system. I'm using the SIGNAX Migration Tool. I'll quickly set up the API connection to our other common data environment. It sounds technical, but it's really just a secure copy and paste of the keys. With the keys in place, I'll open Windows PowerShell and run the command to start the SIGNAX migration utility. We'll let that run, and after a little while, there we go. Over 30,000 files are now securely in SIGNAX docs. What if you're starting fresh and don't have a folder structure? Let's build a perfect one using AI. I'm writing a detailed prompt, asking the AI to create an ISO-compliant folder structure. It gives me a clean list, which I'll save to a text file. Now for the magic. I'll ask the AI to write a simple script that can read my text file and create all these folders automatically. I'll save the generated script to my computer as a PowerShell file with a PS1 extension. Now, back in PowerShell, I will run that script First, it asks for the path where I want to create the main project folder. I'll paste that in. Next, it asks for the path to the text file that contains our list of folders. I'll provide that as well. I'll hit enter, and just like that, the script reads the list and builds the entire multi-level folder structure instantly. Let's take it one step further. A good folder needs a description. I'll have the AI write a clear purpose for each of our 50 folders from the project manager perspective. Let's save folder descriptions to a text file. Then, just like before, I'll ask the AI to generate another PowerShell script for this task. This time the script will create a text file with its own description for each project folder. I'll save this new script again with the PS1 extension. In PowerShell, I will run the new script. It first prompts me for the root directory of the folder structure we just made. I'll specify that path. Then, it asks for a location of our text file with all the folder descriptions. And with a click, the script places each description into the correct folder as a small text file. Now, everyone on the team will know exactly what each folder is for. Let's configure our master template project. I'm clearing out the default folders, and I'll copy in the intelligent structure we just built with AI. It's a simple drag and drop to upload. And it syncs to the cloud in a moment. Now let's set up the project rules. I'll create different types of issues for design, construction, and handover. SIGNAX Docs allows us to create, edit, and track issues for any file format. Each one can have its own specific settings and attributes. Next, let's fine-tune a document review workflow. All our project participants can create review sets and submit them for approval. During the review, we can add comments and assign different statuses to files as they move through the stages. I'm adding the owner as the final approver and giving them 2 days for review. We also want to automatically add a stamp and a QR code to approve drawings, which is a great feature during the stamping stage. I'll also add some custom fields for our issues, like project disciplines and QA/QC inspection dates. And to avoid too many emails, I'll set notifications to a daily summary. Finally, and this is crucial, I'm setting domain folder permissions. I can easily control who can view, download, or upload files at the top level. After permissions on the top level are defined, I can tailor lower level subfolder permissions. With our template perfected, it's time to scale. I'm creating our new projects for the Serenity Cove Villa and the Polaris Tower, but this time I'll select our new master template. When we use a template, all our work is copied over, including the folder structure, access rights, review types, and issue types. I just need to add the project-specific details and the team members for each. Let's do a final check. I'll open the new projects. And yep, the folder structure is there. The settings are correct. The teams can access all this data through a web browser on their desktops, laptops, or mobile devices. Let's recap what we did in under 4 hours. We successfully migrated a legacy project with over 30,000 files. We launched 4 new projects, all fully configured and ready for our teams. We created a standardized common data environment template that will be the foundation for all our future work. And we implemented AI workflows to automate our processes. Digital transformation isn't some long, complicated journey. As you can see, it can be a single afternoon's work. SIGNAX, your digital construction.